Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system basics. Check Mac OS and Safari updates and install any pending patches because versions often fix loading bugs. Once done, quit Safari and force quit any hung processes, then reboot your Mac to clear transient system states. Make sure VPNs or custom proxies are off. They often block pages. Also verify Wi-Fi signal and try a wired connection if possible, because connectivity issues frequently masquerade as Safari errors. Next, clear Safari's cache and website data for the affected sites to remove corrupted resources that prevent loading. You can keep most cookies if needed. Then reset DNS by adding 8 or 1 in network preferences because stale DNS entries often cause cannot open page. If the issue persists, create a new Mac OS user or boot in safe mode to determine whether extensions, profiles, or third-party software are interfering. This helps isolate whether the problem is system-wide or account-specific. Finally, disable all Safari extensions and restart. Re-enable them one at a time so you can pinpoint a bad ad on that blocks pages. If problems continue, apply the latest Mac OS combo update or reinstall Mac OS without erasing data to refresh system components. Make sure your host's file hasn't been altered and test other browsers to confirm scope. If you still fail, check console logs for Safari error messages with timestamps. That single line often reveals the root cause and guides the next troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.